Yeah, hello students. Let's move on to the next question for today under partnership final accounts. Central and Western were in partnership sharing profits and losses. This is the name of the partners, Central and Western. Partnership sharing profits and losses in the ratio of, so this is the old ratio, 3 is to 2. From 1st April 2021, the very first date, they admitted Harbour, the third partner, into partnership, giving him 1/5 share in profits. Okay. So ये वाला जो partner है, this is not in between the year. The very first date of the year, he is as a partner. Okay. इससे पहले जो हमने sums किए थे, partners were, in between the year, they were taken as a new partner. So the concept of pre and post period was also there. So here that concept is not applicable because on the very first date only he is admitted as a new partner. What did he bring? A Harbour. Harbour brought 1,20,000, of which 15,000 was considered as a share of goodwill and the balance was considered as his capital. Okay. Then drawings. So this is going to be capital debit, one effect. All trial balance entries will have one effect. Okay. Yeah. Purchases, trading debit, sales return will be less from sales, datas will be balance sheet asset, opening stock, trading debit, wages, trading debit, salaries, P&L debit, buildings, balance sheet asset, patents, balance sheet asset, postage and telegram, P&L debit, power and fuel, this will be trading debit, general expenses, P&L debit, then rent rates and taxes, P&L debit. Bad debts would obviously would be P&L debit, and we'll be using that formula of bad debts. Investments, balance sheet asset. Prepaid insurance, since it is in the trial balance, it will have only one effect, balance sheet asset. Cash at bank, balance sheet asset. Okay. Then bills receivable, balance sheet asset. Let's see the credit side. Rent payable. So it is going to have only one effect. This is outstanding rent. So balance sheet liability, outstanding wages, balance sheet liability, sales, trading credit, purchase return, less from purchases, reserve for doubtful debts. I will be using it in the formula of bad debts. Okay. ये रहा bad debts के formula में होगा ये minus हो जाएगा. Then creditors would be obviously balance sheet liability, bills payable, balance sheet liability. This is dividend on the credit side. So this is dividend received. So this will be P&L credit. Capital accounts दिया हुआ है. Yeah. Cash paid by Harbour on this. So ये 1,20,000 का bifurcation तो मिला हुआ है हमको. 15,000 का उसका goodwill है और बोला है बाकी is his capital. Okay. So 1,20,000 में से उसका 15,000 तो सिर्फ goodwill है तो 1,05,000 is his capital. Okay. So this bifurcation is there. Right? Okay. Now let's move on to obviously the adjustment part. Adjustments will have two effects. Closing stock, trading credit side, balance sheet asset. Goods costing rupees 12,000 have been stolen but not entered in books. Okay, so it will have two effects, trading credit and second effect P&L debit. Write off 20% of patents. तो patents को tick mark करो. इसका दो effect होगा patents का बराबर P&L debit में जाएगा और दूसरा less from patents. Then bad debts ka entry is there. Okay, this one. Create provision for doubtful debts. So this is my new RDD. So ये मेरे डेटर्स में रिफ्लेक्ट होगा, मेरे बैड डेट्स के फॉर्मूले में भी रिफ्लेक्ट होगा, तो मैं दोनों को टिक कर रही हूँ. ठीक है. Then depreciate building at the rate 10% per annum. So I'm putting a tick mark to building also. Building का 10%, 90,000 का 10% is 9,000. Okay, so P&L debit. Second effect less from building. Okay, so let's start. इसमें ratios हमें निकालने पड़ेंगे because ये 1/5 share in profits वाला concept दिया होगा. So let's start with the calculation of the PSR. Yeah, okay. Okay, so the PSR is yeah, old ratio is how much? 3/5 and 2/5, correct? New share is how much? 1/5. So 1 minus 1/5. So cross multiply, 5 ones are 5 minus 1, 4. So 4/5. Okay. So if I want to calculate C ka share, so C is how much? 3/5 into the new share, 4/5. So this is 3 fours are 12 and this is 5 fives are 25. Then when I want to calculate for Western, it will be 2/5 into 4/5 So 2 fours are 8, so this will be 8 by 25. For harbor, I have to equalize it. इसका शेयर कितना है 1/5. तो मुझे डिनोमिनेटर सबका कितना चाहिए 25. So 5 fives are 25, so I'll multiply and divide with 5. This is the change that I will do. Okay, yeah, this part. So that my denominator equalizes, and then this will become 5 upon 25. So क्या हो जाएगा मेरा new ratio 12:8:5. Okay, so that's the concept. Okay, so old ratio, new ratio भी मुझे मिल गया new PSR. So you can even write your new PSR, new profit sharing ratio is 12:8:5. Okay, so that's the whole idea of calculating the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so let's move on. I hope this part is clear to everyone, right? Yeah, calculating the new PSR. This you have done in your lower standards, 11th and 12th. Okay, it's just a revision to it. Next, let's start with obviously the trading account. That's my trading account. All the what do you call the trial balance will be having one effect. Baki balance आपका adjustments will be having two effects. So closing stock मेरे adjustment में था. I'm highlighting it with green. Okay, goods lost by theft was also in my adjustment, so I'm highlighting it with green. और ये दोनों का second effect बैलेंस शीट में आएगा. क्लोजिंग स्टॉक का तो सेकेंड इफेक्ट बैलेंस शीट में आएगा. गुड्स लॉस बाय फायर बाय थेफ्ट का सेकेंड इफेक्ट पीएनएल डेबिट में आएगा. ओके, एंड वी आल्सो हैव the sales return and purchase return ka concept to subtracted from the respective items. Purchase return from purchase, sales return from sales. Okay, yeah, so it comes to 31,68,000 minus 48,000. Okay, plus 1,95,000 plus 12,000 minus 3,26,700 minus my net purchases 19,63,200 minus 2,41,800 minus 22,500. Okay, so 7,72,800, that's my GP, gross profit, and this gross profit I will be taking it to the P&L account. Okay, my P&L, yes, will be having P&L, I mean, what do you call, उसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट होगा. या ट्रायल बैलेंस का मैंने वन इफेक्ट दिया है, और जो भी मेरे एडजस्टमेंट्स है उसको मैंने दो इफेक्ट्स दिए. ठीक है, जैसे मेरा बैड डेट्स है, न्यू बैड डेट्स नहीं है क्वेश्चन में, राइट? देयर इज नो न्यू बैड डेट्स, बट यस देयर इज न्यू आरडीडी, राइट? सो इसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट विल बी लेस फ्रॉम डेटर्स. सो बैड डेट्स का कैसा है, वी राइट टू बैड डेट्स, द वन विच इज गिवन इन द ट्रायल बैलेंस on the debit side. So 6,300. Okay. Add new bad debts, which is not there in the question. So nil. Add new RDD, which is there in the question. तो लोग ने कुछ बोला है 5% लेना है. ठीक है. Less old RDD. ये जो old RDD है, ये trial balance के credit side में होता है. That is 14,400. Okay. And then you will take the balance like this. Okay. So this is also the basic formula you have been doing since your 11th standard. So I'm sticking to that. So 6,300 minus, sorry, plus 24,150 minus 14,400. So it is 16,050. Goods lost by theft का second effect इधर है. इसका एक effect हमने trading credit में दे दिया है. Patents written off मतलब depreciation on patents, उसका second effect less from patents होगा. Depreciation on building 90,000 का 10%, 9,000. बाकी सब वन इफेक्ट वाले आइटम्स है. Okay, so when you close your P&L account, 7,72,800 plus 9,900 minus 1,05,000 minus 38,700 minus 39,750 minus 42,000 minus 16,050 minus 12,000 minus 16,800 minus 9,000. सो 5,03,400 आ रहा है मेरा नेट प्रॉफिट, जो कि मैं मेरे तीनों पार्टनर्स को देने वाली हूँ। और कौन से रेशियो में दूंगी? जो अभी मैंने रेशियो निकाला था, न्यू रेशियो 12:8:5 वाले रेशियो। ओके, so 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 plus 5 is 25. That means my denominator is 25. Okay, into 5. So 1,06,80, दूसरा 5,03,400, 8, 5,03,400 into 8 divided by 25. 1,61,088, 5,03,400 into 12 divided by 25. 2,41,632. Okay, so this is how you are going to distribute your net profit among the new partners. Okay, and the new partner ka ratio we just calculated, 12:8:5. So this is my partner's capital. Yeah, ये तो दिया था, करेक्ट। फिर ये बाइफर्केशन हमने अभी किया था, ये आपका कैपिटल है कैश में जो आया है, राइट, न्यू पार्टनर का। मैंने आपको बताया था ना, उसका वो कितना ला रहा है, 1,20,000 ला रहा है। 1,20,000 में से 15,000 वो क्या ला रहा है? वो गुडविल ला रहा है। ये रहा 15,000 का गुडविल। तो बाकी का जो बच गया 1,05,000, वो क्या है? वो उसका कैपिटल शेयर है। ओके, ये मैंने स्टार्ट में डिस्कस किया है, करेक्ट। सो 15,000 वाले गुडविल का एंट्री, यस, it will be goodwill account debit to the partners. Goodwill account debit to the partners. In which ratio? 3:2. 9 and 6. तो जो हमने नेट प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट किए थे वो, देन ड्राइंग्स का एक इफेक्ट, कैपिटल डेबिट, क्लोज योर आई मीन लेजर, 1,05,000 प्लस 1, अरे 1,05,000 प्लस 1,06,80 minus 30. 1,75,680. Next, 1,05,000 plus 6,000 plus 1,61,088 minus 42. 2,25,588. Next, 1,80,000 plus 9,000 plus 2,41,632 minus 48,000. 3,82,632. ओके, ये सब बैलेंसेस कहाँ जाएंगे? बैलेंस शीट लायबिलिटी में। ठीक है, ये जो भी हमने कैलकुलेट किया ना, ये, हाँ, ये इसका भी सेकेंड इफेक्ट आएगा ना पार्टनर्स कैपिटल में, तो ये वही है। ओके, तो लास्ट में बनेगी आपकी बैलेंस शीट। ये बिल्डिंग वाला डेप्रिसिएशन का सेकेंड इफेक्ट, 10% डेप्रिसिएशन, बराबर। तो 90,000 का 10% डेप्रिसिएशन 81। फिर पेटेंट्स का कितना था डेप्रिसिएशन? 20%, करेक्ट। फिर इसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट भी तो आएगा, एक तो हमने दे दिया पीएनएल डेबिट, दूसरा इफेक्ट। सो 84,000 का 20%, 16,800. तो नेट होएगा 67,200. Investments, one effect, cash, one effect, closing stock, second effect, year. One effect is trading credit, second effect is year. Then let's come to datas. Datas में न्यू बैड डेट्स तो नहीं है बट न्यू आरडीडी है. तो 4,83,000 का डेटर्स का 5% निकालो तो 24,150. इसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट हम ऑलरेडी बैड डेट्स के फॉर्मूला में दिखा चुके हैं, राइट? $4,58,850. Bills receivable, one effect. Prepaid insurance, it was there in the trial balance, तो उसका भी one effect. फिर ये हमको कैपिटल अकाउंट से जो मिला है बैलेंसिंग फिगर. Creditors, bills payable, सब one effect. Outstanding wages, एक effect. Rent payable, one effect. Okay. 81,000 plus 67,200 plus 1,95,000 plus 7,800 plus again 1,95,000 plus 4,58,850 plus 2,05,500 plus 6,000. So 12,79,350. Let's check the liability also. 3,82,632 plus 2,25,588 plus 1,75,680. Okay, plus 3,61,200 plus 90,750 plus 32,400 plus 11,100. 12,79,350. Okay, fine. So here we end with this particular question. Let's meet in the next lecture with a new question. Till then, happy learning.